Did you know there's a platform that offers various free AI tools such as AI Face Changer, AI Image Generator, AI Voice Cloner, AI Music Generator, and more? This video will guide you through the step-by-step installation of this free AI toolbox, which allows you to easily deploy a variety of AI tools with one click. So, let's get started. Part 1. AI Browser. Pinocchio is an innovative browser specifically designed to streamline the management and control of applications, particularly focusing on AI applications and models. Before deploying an AI application, we should install this tool. The official link to Pinocchio is in the description below the video. Click on the Download button and select the installer that matches your operating system. Click on the Download button to start downloading the Pinocchio installer. Once the download process is complete, unzip the installer folder and run the Pinocchio installer to begin installing Pinocchio on your computer. Part 2. Free Voice Cloner. Once the installation is complete, let's try to clone your own voice and hear how you feel when you speak a different language. Open Pinocchio browser and select XTTS from the list and click on the Download button. Then, click on the Install button under XTTS Application. Click the Install button again to continue. When the installation process is complete, click the Start button to launch the XTTS AI. Remove the reference audio by clicking the X button on the reference audio panel. Then, select the voice file you want to clone.
Far away, as north as we can go, stood a very old and very enchanted forest.
Let's try English first. Enter the English scripts in the text prompt, then select N in the language option. Click the Submit button and wait for the AI to generate the voice.
Far away, as north as we can go, stood a very old and very enchanted forest. It was protected by the most powerful spirits of all, those of air, of fire, of water, and earth.
Let's try Spanish. Since XTTS AI doesn't have a translation function, we have to use the translated scripts. Enter the Spanish scripts in text prompt, then select ES in the language option. Click the Submit button, and wait for the AI to generate the voice.
Far away, as north as we can go, stood a very old and very enchanted forest. Estaba protegida por los espíritus más poderosos de todos, los del aire, del fuego, del agua y de la tierra.
Part 3. Free Face Swapper. Click FaceFusion in the AI Tools list of Pinocchio browser, then click the Download button. Pinocchio will automatically deploy all the scripts needed for FaceFusion. Wait for the installation to complete. Start FaceFusion. Select the source image in the source box, Select the video you need to change the face in the target box. Select Face_Swapper in the Frame Processors tab. Keep the other options as default, and then click the Start button. Wait for the processing to finish. Let's compare the two videos. In Pinocchio browser, there are many other AI tools that can be deployed with one click. Interested partners can research on their own. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time.